got this tool, I was like, I don't know how many times I need to fill the water. I wouldn't recommend anything to you if I don't like it. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to style my hair with Alan Truman Steam Styler, which I got in PR, and I'm so grateful I got it because it is that good. And just now I styled my hair with some other tool which I got in PR as well, but I'm not so sure if I like it or not. So I'm thinking to just text the brand and say that your product is not that worth it, because I really didn't like it that much. So if I don't like it, I don't want to do it. I don't want to waste your money, because so many of you buy on my recommendations, and if I give you a recommendation which I only don't like just for the money, it's not right, guys. So I will try once again and see if I am actually confused or if the product is actually bad. I'll try and then only I'll do that video. Otherwise I will not do that video. By the way, I really hope it works, but I don't know, we'll see. So coming back to this tool, which is Alan Truman Steam Styler, I love it. I totally love it. It's just so worth it, and the packaging was so cute. I posted it on my Instagram. Of course, it is styling with the steam, so we need water. We have to fill the water in this bottle, and then we have to pour it from this hole, and this much water is enough. You don't need like so much of water. When I got this tool, I was like, I don't know how many times I need to fill the water, but not required. You just have to fill it once, and that is it. So I filled water till here. You only need this much. You don't need like so much of water, and this you have to fit here like this, and it's all done. Wow, I thought I recorded all that, but I did not. Whatever. I know this tool is styling our hair with the steam, but still heat protectant is a must. So do not forget to use a heat protectant. And I am using Tresemme Ultimate Gloss Heat Protectant. I switch between both of them. Sometimes I use Tresemme Anti-Frizz spray, and sometimes I use the Tresemme Ultimate Gloss. Both are good. Both give heat protection up to 230 degrees Celsius. But if you have really dehydrated hair, I would suggest you to use serum based than the spray one. For my hair, both works, but I also like the serum more than the spray. So if you're using any of it, do not worry, using a heat protection is must. And coming to this tool, please take smaller sections first. I did this mistake by taking the bigger sections. When I took the bigger sections, it was styling properly, but what happened is the hair near the scalp was not getting styled properly. So what you do is take your hair in smaller sections and then style from the top to the bottom. In that way, each strand of your hair will get styled properly, and also the finish of the hair will also be smooth and even. So the problem when I was styling in larger sections was the hair near my scalp was not getting styled properly. So for that reason, I had to first take smaller sections. Also, the baby hair will get styled really properly when you take smaller sections. And here I'm using my tool in 200 degrees Celsius, that is the maximum temperature. I did not style in 130 and 150 because that will take a lot of time, and I have to go over the same section multiple times. I prefer highest temperature in all my hair tools because that is more faster. It will save your time and the energy. So that is the temperature I go with in every styling tool. Only when medium is also styling as equivalent to highest temperature, then I go with medium just for the satisfaction, I guess. But mostly I go with the maximum temperature only. But whenever I go with maximum temperature, I make sure to use the heat protectant, because without heat protectant, using maximum temperature is inviting more damage to your hair. And whenever my styling is done and I need some time to use the heat protectant, I turn the power off. Like I press that power button once so that it doesn't use the unnecessary heat or water. So I just press that once and then apply the heat protectant, and then I turn it on again. Just you have to press it, that's it. The green color light will be there, but when the steam is coming, all the lights will be on. So that is one thing you need to remember. And using the tool at the highest temperature is my personal preference. You can go with whichever temperature suits your hair and whichever temperature you feel is safe for your hair. Also, I wanted to address something here. So many of you have been texting me or commenting on my reels saying that you have bought this tool or you have bought the blow brush, watching my video, but your hair is not getting styled as mine. I think that is because you guys are not using conditioner or mask. That can be one of the reason, because when your hair is really moistured, when it is hydrated, it will hold the styling for a longer period of time. My sister have same issue, like she doesn't use any conditioner or mask. I suggested her same thing, to use the conditioner and mask and make your hair really soft, and then try to use these kind of tools. And this doesn't happen in 1 2 washes. You have to do this at least for 10 15 washes, because that is when your hair will get adapted to the conditioner or the mask, and then it will get smooth. So I really request you guys to just wait and give that nourishment to your hair. If you just started using it, I really recommend you to wait for a few months and give your hair that time, that strength, and that damage repair it requires. I also recommend you to use any leave-in creams or mask, like Plix is also there. That is a bond repair, damage repair thing. So I think it's a really good option. I am applying it every time I wash my hair. I either apply that leave-in mask or I apply a Dove cream, leave-in cream. That is also very good. It has peptides and it makes your hair so soft. So apply that on damp hair. So that is one suggestion from my end. You can also use anti-frizz and anti-humidity serums. Like one is from Make Me Bold. I used it once, but I'm not sure about the heat protection level because it's not mentioned. So I recommend you guys to use that. When you're using an anti-humidity serum, also use a heat protectant because level is not mentioned. I would rate Alan Truman Steam Styler a very good 9 because it's really good, no doubt. Price point is a bit higher, which is why I'm giving it 9. Otherwise it's so good. I love this one. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Do not forget to subscribe. I love you all. Bye.